Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device anymore. So what you can do about it? Firstly, you have to turn off your device, Then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. You will end up in this kind of menu, and in this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it by selecting Factory Data Reset. And after you see the message Data Wipe Complete here, you can select the first option Reboot System Now, and after that your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.